From your daily driver to your Highline exotics, plastic bumper repair is a cost-effective solution that saves you time and money. Unlike traditional methods that take days, your local and mobile paint technician will restore your plastic bumper within hours and not days. While restoring your bumper back to pre-accident condition, this convenient service is usually performed within 2 to 3 hours. This unique and mobile paint repair process can possibly help you avoid an insurance claim, because in most cases, the average repair cost is lower than your deductible. In just a short period of time, your bumper is restored like new without you even being away from your car. In benefit, your bumper is repaired, restored, and renewed while retaining the appearance and resale value of your vehicle. Finding a local technician in your area is easy as 1, 2, 3. Just go to reconexpress.com, browse the website, find your local company, and then make an appointment. Soon, you'll have a mobile paint tech arrive at your home or office.